This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Zebra ZD220 printer to a computer. First, carefully unpack your new printer and remove all protective packaging. Next, connect the power supply to the printer and then to a wall outlet, ensuring it powers on. Now, load your media, whether it's labels or receipt paper, into the printer. Finally, connect the USB cable from the printer to your computer. This physical setup is the crucial first step for seamless operation. Once your printer is physically connected, the next vital step is installing the correct drivers. Head over to the official Zebra website and find the support page for the ZD220. Download the most recent drivers compatible with your computer's operating system. Then, simply run the installation wizard. It will guide you through the process, prompting you to select your ZD220 model to ensure proper software integration. This step is essential for your computer to recognize and communicate with the printer. With the drivers installed, it's time to configure your printer. Open your computer's devices and printers or printers and scanners settings. You should see your Zebra ZD220 listed there. Select it and then perform a test print. This confirms that everything is communicating properly. From here, you can also access the printer's properties to fine-tune settings like label size, print darkness, and even print speed, ensuring optimal performance for your specific needs. Take a few moments to get these settings just right. Even with a smooth setup, occasional issues can arise. Always double-check that all cables are firmly connected. If problems persist, a simple restart of both your computer and the ZD220 printer can often resolve minor glitches. Pay attention to the printer's status lights. They often signal specific errors. For more complex issues, your printer's user manual is an invaluable resource, offering detailed troubleshooting guides and advanced configuration tips. Following these best practices will help ensure reliable and consistent printing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.